Hey guys, Danny here at Partay. So, Crow, I saw your last video and I just want to say great video, man. Hopefully that helps to inform some people out there. But just in case, and I didn't see anybody kind of catch this, and maybe you did, maybe there's already a video out, and if so, because guys, I've been busy today, hadn't had a chance to kind of catch up on all my feeds, but I was watching this video and he says the most interesting thing, right? He says, and this is Ken Bird, Albert Birdstein, but he says the craziest thing. He says that the screen paint, the screen, cannot determine your sharpness, right? Cannot make your images sharper. That's the projector. That's the projector. And then he continues and he talks a little bit longer and he continues on. And then I think he realized he had just actually contradicted himself in a major way. And he tries to repair it by saying, oh, it looks close, with color and stuff like that. But people should know that, and you can check this out for yourself. Back in October of 2018, he started a deluge of videos that went on and on about how you can't tell the difference between his 720p and his 4K images in a side-by-side comparison. He didn't say about color. He didn't say it was about color and contrast and all that kind of stuff, right? Because he said 720p and 4K, which are both measurements units, right, of resolution, which resolution equals sharpness. So he realized, because, that was just, it suited his purpose at the time. That's all it was. I can tell this, hey, this will make your 720 look like 4K. And what's funny is he would do the comparisons and then he would upload the video in 1080p. And on top of that, he would have the image from the 4K always smaller than the 720p. So it was easy to guess which one it was. And he would also have it darker. The 720p image he'd have it a little bit brighter, just a little bit, just to, so people's eyes would be kind of drawn back and forth. But it was funny to me to hear him say that. And I've caught him in numerous things. And I'm, like I said, I'm keeping a list and I'm going to do a review of his channel and we're going to talk about the whole list. And, I'm going to have little, snippets and stuff like that. But, it's just funny to hear all these contradictions, but as we go along, just to call this out, that's a major contradiction. He's saying the screen doesn't determine that, the projector does, but back then, and for like a month and a half after that, he was drilling it. That 720p would look like 4K. He didn't say the color of 4K. He didn't say as bright as 4K or the imagery. You can't tell the difference from the distance and all that. No, 720 looked like 4K. So, and I remember back at that time trying to put out videos alongside, many other people out there saying this is BS. You can't tell people this. It's wrong to tell people that because that has nothing to do with your resolution. That's all determined by the projector. Now, your screen can help or hurt it. In most cases, it can probably hurt it more than it helps it. But, by and far, always determined by your projector. All right, so you guys have a great weekend. Be busy over the next couple of days, but hopefully have some vids for you come Sunday evening or Monday. You guys take care. Bye.